Okay, the light fixture has a black wire, a white wire, and the ground wire. Okay, look how long the ground wire is. And this cracked me up. Look what this has in it. It's got a braided wire, and it's got an actual little thing on the end. And you're like, what the heck is that for? I've never seen that in a light fixture before. And I was reading the directions, and they say to hook this up to your mounting bracket, okay? And then you can let this dangle while you're hooking up the wires. I don't do that. I'm not going to use that. I'll show you what I do. Now see, this ground wire is attached to the same area where this other wire, you know, for this deal was hooked up under a nut right down in there that holds the pedestal of the light fixture. You know, this section of the light fixture. And so I'm just going to hold that up with my hand, the ground wire. Okay, I don't need that other thing, no need. And see, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually wrap it around this ground screw like that. Okay, like that. Look, I can let go of it even. And that gives me enough on here to put a wire nut on that end too. Okay, so I'm just gonna tighten that up right where it's at, like that. Okay, and I'm gonna try to be careful not to let that rub a dub. And I've got the ground wire, and I'm just going to hook it to that ground wire and attach it with my wire nut. On the wire nut, you just use the orange wire nuts, okay? Because I'm hooking up stranded wire to one solid wire. And you see, I don't have to put it down inside the pancake box. I can leave it just flush on top of that because this housing is going to cover everything up. I just have to see how the housing is going to go, and it's going to go up like that. I got a big cavity towards the top. I don't have as much down towards the bottom. I could still shove some things in there. The middle, I don't want anything in the middle, okay, because there's his transformer, whatever that is, okay? And so that's looking fine. Now I've got to grab, they gave me some orange wire nuts, and I've got one extra wire nut, and I'm going to use one of theirs, and I'm going to use one of mine. Okay, I always save the wire nuts whenever I can, because I can use them some other time. Okay, I'm just going to hook the white up here with an orange wire nut. Get it on there as tight as you can. When you think it's tight, try to go a little more. Then pull on the wire. Make sure it can't go anywhere. Okay? And now I can get it up in there, just like that. And get ready for my black wire. Okay? Put my wire nut on. You see anything hard here? Black to black, white to white, ground to ground. I grounded the wire that came out of the wall to the metal pancake box. I've grounded the light fixture to the pancake box and to the metal mounting bracket, right? Okay, now I can redirect this wire nut off to the right. I can do it just like that, okay? Now, I'm pretty much ready to attach this to the wall. Okay, I'm doing it. I got my little screws, and this wire is really super flexible, and I should be able to spaghetti that into the light fixture. and push it in there like that. Okay. I'll try to get that screw started in there and hold this at the same time. Usually it works when you hold your mouth just right. Come on. My fingers are failing me. I may have to just, oh, nope. I'm not, oh, look at that. I thought I had it lined up just right, but I didn't. I was slightly off. Just that little bit was keeping me from starting the threads. Okay, now let's just get that ladder out of the way. Let's see if I can't see where that, where, come on, where is it? Oh, yeah, it's way over there. Oh, there it is. Boy, I'm having a hard time seeing that. I'm just gonna get my light on my phone. Maybe I can see it then. Oh, okay, I see it there. I see it. I'm not sure what's happening right there. It almost looks like the ground wire's down there, but I don't think it is. I'm not seeing it. Maybe I can do that business. There we go. There we go. Now I'm hoping that is straight. Every once in a while you get one where you've got your bracket straight, but yet when you put this on, this thing doesn't seem to be straight. I don't know what the deal is with that, yo. Let's see, I'm looking at that, and it almost looks like the top needs to go that way, but 33.5. Oh, it's pretty good. It's pretty good unless these walls are crooked. Nope, it's right on. Am I getting a crooked eyeball or what? Okay, snug that up. I'm not going to over tighten it because that bracket's just a hair short of your container. You start tightening it up and this starts depressing in just a little bit. You get it too tight and it's still, see, I'm going to leave it right like that. Okay, there's your next step. I'm almost done with it, and you know what? I'll bet you if I turn the light on right now, well, I'm thinking this is going to go on. Let's try. 3, 2, 1. Look at that. And the reason why I knew that was going to go on was because the wire nuts are on, connected over there. Okay, had those wire nuts been disconnected, that wouldn't have gone on, would it? And it dims, sure enough it dims, look at that. And see, I don't even have the top bit on there just yet. That almost tells you if you don't want the top on, maybe you don't want the top on, you could leave it. That gives you all kinds of extra light, but we're going to put that top on. I'm going to do that next.